Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Type Tech, and I'm your host Nash. So today we are doing today in the episode I call it What's in the Box. We are reviewing the Hifuture TrueAir ANC. So why I bought this is because it has ANC, active noise cancelling. So this thing costs about 39 SGD and it can go up to 46. The specs are ANC, game mode, Bluetooth 5, Type-C charging, IPX5 water resistance. So anyway, behind this box you can see it says here active noise cancelling, ergonomic design, lightweight and comfort fit, touch command, high definition audio quality, Bluetooth 5 technology, IPX5 and transparency mode. Okay, so why you should buy this? For now, it is probably one of the cheapest ANC I can find. Next, it has ANC and also game mode. That is something I'm gonna test it out. So let's open this up. Okay. Alright, so the box is almost the same as the Hifuture Rage, which is just a flip open and you get the piece. As you can see, this is the casing, fairly heavy. The earbuds, okay, and behind it is the usual instruction manual, the earbuds, the small and the large, and Type-C cable. Right, that's all. Let's close this and let's see the case. Right, so this is the casing. It has like slightly matte finish, not really fully matte, and inside is the glossy finish. And other than that, in front you can see the battery light indicator, which is green, and the word Hifuture here. The back, the specs, and the bottom is Type-C. There's nothing else here. And inside, the earbuds is fairly that standard design for ANC, which is as the Hifuture, and the mic probably here and here, and the shape is almost the same. So the earpiece is fairly the same, it's almost the same as the Awei A01, which has almost the same design as the stem here, the front and the sides. Only this stem is slightly shorter than the Hifuture one, but we will see how's the design. So we will see how well it will perform. And if I were to compare to the other ANC related earpiece, this is how it looks like. It is almost the same as the Awei, but it is slightly thinner than the Awei TA01 and it feels more heavier. It's almost as heavy as the Tautronics. So it gave me a good feeling about it. Next thing, let's check the weight. Alright, so let's check the weight. So it is about 56 grams. That is fairly heavy. Let's see the Awei. It's only 40 grams and the Tautronics is 47. So this thing is heavy, very heavy. And let's see the earpiece is about 4 grams, so it is because of the battery. and the battery is only 500 milliamp hours, but it's for some reason it's heavy. And let's see the Awei's earpiece is 3.6, and also let's see the Tautronics earpiece 6.5. so it is in between for the earpiece, but it is the heaviest overall. So that's the weight, and I will catch you all later for the pairing phase. Alright, welcome back to the pairing phase. And I have tried the Hifuture for a couple of hours, and I must say it is pretty much a small disappointment. And if you want to know how is the fitting looks like from here, there's the picture. And so far the fitting wise in the ear is actually decent. And the bad thing about it is that it says it is active noise cancelling earbud, but that is the one thing that it fails to do to make me turn on the ANC mode. And if you want to know what are the controls is shown in the screen. It is basically you press and hold 2 seconds to play the next song, press and hold 4 seconds to turn on the ANC and the APT mode, which is the transparent mode. And if you press and hold on the left side 4 seconds, it will be turning on the game mode and turn off the game mode. It is quite disappointing that when I turn on and turn off the ANC mode, even to turn on the pass-through mode, there is no difference. Literally zero difference. When I start to knock on the cupboard here, even the door, everything, it sounds exactly the same. So I'm like, why am I wasting more battery just to turn on something that is not even working? So unfortunately, it is almost have the same dilemma as the Awei A01, where the ANC doesn't work. But hey, there is something else it has on its sleeve, which is the gaming mode. Fortunately, when you turn on the game mode, it does work. Thank God, because I pay almost 40 plus bucks. I expect something to work. So in terms of build, it is also decent. The game mode also, I was able to play a couple of games with almost close to low latency. But if you want to know what is the latency, you have to check on the next episode, which I call it How Fast series, which I will do in the future to figure out how fast is the latency compared to the competitors. And also for the music wise, it's okay so far. I listen to, and one song that I would recommend for today would be I'm a Mess by Bebe, Rexha. I might butcher the singer name, but so the song, it has decent vocals and bass, which this earpiece able to play no problem. So in conclusion, if you are looking for something for the ANC, just don't expect this to work. I would prefer if you go top up a bit more and buy the Tautronics Pure Core, which you can see on the cards above, that the ANC that actually works. Yeah, so if you're looking for ANC, you can go for that. But if you are looking for like this earpiece that has actually game mode and decent enough of build quality, yeah, you can always get it. But it is, but it's unfortunate that the thing that they try to promote is the thing that doesn't work. So, oh well. So, you may ask, should you buy this? Well, the answer is depends. If you like this compact factor and also there's this kind of stamp design, so yeah, so if you're looking for that kind of design, so yeah, why not just pick it up. But bear in mind that there are cheaper and better earbuds out there, especially something that is good value such as the ZNT game buds that has almost the same design, and also it has like a gaming mode, which this thing also have. So I don't know how to justify this. Other than that, I can't really justify to buy this. Anyway, I will reserve my judgment first until the next episode, which is how fast to test the latency and also the mic, whether there is some reading qualities for this earpiece. But for now, I'm still on the fence where I would lean towards, if you're looking for ANC, the Trautronics, and if you're looking for gaming, cheap gaming value earpiece, which is the ZNT game buds. And with that, I have nothing else to say other than hit that like button if you like this video, and hit that subscribe button if you want to know what is the latency and how the mic sounds like in the next episode of How Fast series. And this is Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.